So, there is power and absolute power. But do you know belts and statement belts? Welcome back to my channel. Hey, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. My name is Eva, and on this channel, I talk about all things fashion. How are you today? Today is a good day because we are going to be styling the belt that we saw in the previous video, the statement belt that we made together. Today, we are going to be styling that statement belt 7 ways. So yeah, stick around. Let us see what we can do with it. How have you been? Let me know in the comment section. We are going to start off with very casual looks and then build our way up. What I have on right now is one of the casual looks. This is the first look that I will be showing us today. I am going to go ahead and put on my belt, step back so that we look at it. So as I have said, we are going to start off with very casual looks. And for look 1, this is what I have done. I have on a simple tee, a basic short, my very simple sling bag with some gold details, and of course, our area of concentration, the belt. Now, this look is very simple to put together, very casual. I have completed it with my socks, with my sneakers and white socks because of the white going on my shorts, and I just added this for Reese. So yeah, this is look 1. What do you think? I would have done this, but I think it is getting in the way of what we are working with today. So no, I am just going to keep the bag this way. Simple and sweet. So as I was saying, with absolute power and statement belts, they work very well together. Now, this look went from very casual to a not so casual look just because of one piece that I have added, and it is just upping everything. And because it is in a contrasting color, it is still doing its magic. You know, it is doing a statement thing, but now a colorful statement thing, which is an extra. That is look 1. On to look 2. Of course, I'll feature turtlenecks. Come on, they are a classic. It's a no-brainer. So for look 2, I am going to do turtleneck and a romper. See. Let me be your go-to style girl. Come to me for everything style related. So let's do look 2. Ladies and gentlemen, so this is look 2. Again, I have on my turtleneck and my romper, and of course our belt. Now, what I have on my feet is what I used to call keto growing up. I don't know what it's called now. I think it's a trekkers or something like that. I have switched out the scarf for just some bangles, and I have put on my statement earrings. I didn't know that I didn't have one on for the first look, but that's okay. And this is the bag that I was wearing for look 1, but now I have taken out the chain and I'm just going to hold it as is. Again, as you can see, we are still keeping the look casual. Don't worry, we'll build our way up. Now for look 3, again, we are going to keep it casual, but we are going to get hotter. And for that look, what I'm going to do is a flowy skirt look and a more fitted body hugging top, tank top. This is a balanced look, and I have a video on how to balance outfits because while the bottom is flowy, the top is body hugging. So yeah, let us dress this baby up. It is sort of flirty. It's a flirty, balanced look. So what I've done is a simple tank top, my flare skirt that has a very high slit, my baseball cap, hoops, of course, slides, and a very, very tiny bag to complete the look. So my accessories are still in gold. Yes, well, that is because I do not have silver ones. So gold is what is going to be for now. So this is the full look. Will you wear this? I think this is giving outing with Lebu vibes, night out, sit out, al fresco dinner, something like that. Is this your vibe, or are you more conservative, kind of fashionista? Let me know in the comment section. Which would you prefer? But yeah, this is an option, and the belt ties everything together very nicely. Yep. On to look for, what we are going to do is this piece right here. Now, short flat gowns and statement belts are very good friends. However, we are going to switch things up by adding an Ankara scarf to give it sort of an African vibe. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Stay tuned. Number 4, flirty with Ankara vibe. So the thing with Ankara scarves are, the more dramatic they are, the better they will look. So if you can make it even more dramatic, go for it, baby. So this is the look: a simple short flirt gown with the belt, duh, and my pointy slingbacks, my very tiny bag, and my accessories, which again are in gold. I just switched out my earrings for something in the color of the scarf. Yeah, so just it. That's it. Very simple, very beautiful look that are very event appropriate. Is this a look that calls your name? Is it like your thing? Or let me know the one that you relate to better. The more dramatic Ankara scarves are, the better. Look number 5. We are going to style a maxi shirt. Yes. It is going to be an all white look with the belts and some other attractions here and there. Let us do that. Look 5, y'all. I know. It is giving Independence Day, green, white, green. Yes. Right now that I am shooting this video, it is 2 days to Nigeria's independence. But I am sure that I'm going to upload this video days after independence, but whatever. So, happy independence in arrears, Nigeria. I hope you heal. Now, I did not plan this at all. I didn't know it was going to I was going to shoot this video now. I just know that this is a look that I'm definitely going to sport. However, I might do that without striped socks, just plain white socks or plain any other color socks that I choose. This is a very, very maxi shirt. It's in size 18 actually. And my shorts, if you went to camp with me, you will know these shorts. So yeah, that is what I'm styling with my loafers, stockings, and my very simple bag. Yep. It is a sporty, chic look, in my opinion. On to look 6. Y'all remember this jacket and this pants, these shorts from my last video? We are going to wear them together. I am going to clash colors. As you can see, there is a powder blue or sky blue, there is purple, and the green. You are allowed to color block now. Yes, fashion keeps evolving every day. Now you can color block, you can clash prints, and everybody is going to accept it. It's a thing now. You can do that, and you will be right. On to our final look for today. I warned you all about me and this jacket, right? I have not even started. So we are going to again do a monochrome look with this jacket that is everything to me right now. So yeah, let us style our final look for today. Stay tuned. I told you, monochrome looks work every time. And a pop of color here, a pop of color there, or flat out monochrome head to toe. As long as you have one color scheme, you are good to go. So yeah, this is our last look. My favorite jacket at the moment, and my palazzo pants, my flat sling bags, my black bag, and our area of concentration, the belt. As you can see, all my accessories are still in gold. Let me leave you with a tip. You don't pair silver and gold accessories together. No. If your accessories are gold, leave them to be gold. If you want to do silver, then do silver. Never ever mix them together. So, look 7, ladies and gentlemen. Did I save the best for the last, or let me know in the comment section your favorite look, and if there are other ways that you would style your own belt, tag me on Instagram so that we'll see. Thank you. Now let's get into the look. That is all for today's video, guys. One piece 7 ways featuring our statement belt. Now if you gained any outfit inspiration from this video today, please do well to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and you can also turn on the notification so that they tell you whenever I put up a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day now. Bye.